You can check the way a string is formatted by using many different types of code such as is lower, is upper, is title, is alpha num, is alpha, is num. I'll show an example of is lower now, as all the others work very similarly. The reason we use string formatting in Python is to be able to take a string, change it, such as changing it all into lowercase characters or uppercase characters. This can be useful for comparing with relational operators. So you might take an input of what's your favorite color, and you might change the input into a lowercase thing, all lowercase, so you can just check the color. You don't need to go with all the combination of capitals. So say if I inputted capital B, then the rest of blue, you would need to have a separate thing for lowercase blue and that capital case blue. But if it's always put into lower, no matter what type of capitals, it essentially just makes it no longer case sensitive. I will now show an example of changing a string to better allow it to be compared with other pieces of code with relational operators. I will now show an example of .title in action. Another reason why we may use string formatting is to get proper outputs. We might want someone to input their name. If I input Bob, I'm not going to want it to all be all lowercase or all uppercase or any combination of between. So I might use .title to make everything lowercase except the first character, which would then become uppercase. This can be good for making the strings just look better, and inputs and outputs, making them easier to read with relational operators like before. Thank you for watching. I do hope you learned something. Have a good rest of your day.